Hello guys, it's Nikki Hansen. Today I'm going to show you how to use a chopsticks. This is really easy to make. This is just use the chopsticks, but make sure that the chopsticks is correct. And they don't do just like that, they don't just like that. All you have to do just tap it. Just tap it just like that, or when you do your own size. So it's basically made from Chinese, Japanese, or the Korean food. You know, like some of the Asian foods, especially for Thai. And this is the best of the chopsticks. And this is the best of the chopsticks, and it's a really easy way to do it. Okay, and then let's get started, shall we? What you want you to do is to get your right-handed, places your first stick behind the thumb. Secondly, place your second stick around the index finger, and then use to tap here along the sides of the chopsticks. Please make sure you doesn't have the incorrect places. So I have to just pick at it, just pick the food you want to, but please make sure the right-handed is free, and then you have it. It's all done. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment and share, and follow me on social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and Instagram. And I hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe. And I love you loads. Shin Shan Yon, and take care of yourselves. Bye.